A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. Once upon a time, there lived a robber in the village. One day, he went to the temple. He looted all the gold ornaments of the deity and a silver bell from the temple. He had to climb the mountain to reach home. As he was going through the forest to the mountain, the tiger heard the jingle of the bell and became curious to look at the sound. As soon as he saw the robber, he jumped upon him and killed him at once. The bell fell on the ground. A little while later, a group of monkeys passed through that way. One of the monkeys saw the bell and started playing with it. They found the jingle of the bell very interesting. When the people of the nearby village heard the sound of the bell from the mountain, they got very scared. They were surprised and curious to know that how could the sound of the bell came from the dense forest near the mountain. The villagers got together to discuss this mysterious happening. They decided to send a young courageous man to investigate. The young man went up to the mountain and soon reached the forest. There he saw the dead body of the robber. He recognized the robber immediately. Suddenly, he heard the ringing of the bell and got scared. Soon he ran down from the mountains to the village. There he said, "An evil robber was found dead in the forest. His spirit is there in the mountains. The ringing of the bell signifies another death." These words frightened the villagers so much that they stopped going to the mountain forest. On hearing this, the king announced, "I will give a handsome reward to that person who will solve this mystery." The old woman didn't believe in this, and she soon decided to go to the forest. There she saw the dead body of the robber. Some ornaments that he had stolen were still nearby. She saw the footprints of the tiger, which told the whole story. Just then, she saw some monkeys playing with the bell. Seeing all this, The old woman had understood what must have happened. She hastened back to the king's palace and straight to the king. She said, "Your Majesty, if you permit me, I can chase away the evil spirit from the mountain forest and bring back that bell as a proof." The king replied, "I will be thankful to you. Do you need someone to assist you?" She said, "No, Majesty. I just need some fruits and nuts." She left for the forest. The old woman went to the mountain forest and she placed some fruits and nuts under the tree. She kept a watch on the monkeys from a distance. When monkeys saw the eatables, they came near the tree and started eating it. As they were busy eating fruits and nuts, the old lady took the bell and left back for the village. She went straight to the king and said, "Your Majesty, here is the bell which the evil spirit used to use. They will never come to the forest again." The king praised her and gave her many gold coins as a reward. Everyone in the village admired her bravery. Since that day, there was no noise, and all the villagers lived happily ever after. Moral: do not believe on all what you hear, investigate and find out the truth.